Hey, it's Randy. Mountain Air Farms, Rustic Homestead. What else?
Well, we're
A jack of all trades.
we're Mountain Air Farms, coming to you from the job site of Rustic Homestead.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, how's that?
Sponsored by Rustic Homestead
Yeah.
Builders. This is we got the back completely done. Well, not completely done. We still got a frame in the eave, but we're getting it done enough so we can put the gravel in and the concrete.
Right.
Uh,
Yeah, this is that Weld Shop he's doing.
yeah. This done with corners on J trim. Got a green roof on it, which you've seen that. I showed you a picture of that.
Right.
But we're just going down the side. We're trying to get all the tin up today.
Yeah, the tin is, we've had company in, we've had funerals, we've had a lot of things going for the last couple of weeks. But it's really taken shape. Yeah. Come around this side.
Yeah, we're trying to get the high stuff done because I want to get my tractor home done.
Yeah. Yeah, because all this high stuff, he has to have some type of a lift to get up there.
Or ladders.
Or ladders.
Lift's easier.
Well, and the lift is safer.
Yeah,
You
it's
got
safe.
something all the way around you.
Yeah.
So it's really opening up or showing exactly how big this building is getting.
It'll be a nice building. I wish I had it.
No, no, you got work to do. You can't build your own building. And they've already got that back wall. Now, the property owner that we've been doing this for, which this is his weld shop that he's building, that he's going to be moving down in the next 2 years. Well, now his mother came in from out of town, and which is nice because even though this is a grown man, he's got his mother that's 87 years old. And she actually tagged his building that Phyllis was here, 2023. So she actually has been able to come and see how the building's going, how it's looking, getting to see everything. That's one of his sisters. So we've had all the family. Oh, that is his sister, his only sister. But getting to see how everything's turning out, and he was so excited because he's gotten to bring her here. Yeah, once all of this extra tin's up, and the tin up above the door, and this last wall over here, then he'll bring in more rock. How far up do you have to bring the rock, dear?
About 3 to 4 inches.
So another 3 to 4 inches, the rock will come up. And then it's concrete. And the concrete guys will be here next week.
Maybe.
Maybe. That was the intent. The concrete guys should be here this next week.
I don't depend on nobody anymore.
Well, that's what they've told us, in other words. And so anyway, that's the next thing he's going to be doing, putting the concrete in. Then we're going to have the roll-up door, man door, and another roll-up door right here.
It's about to get loud.
It's going to get loud. Are you counting 10?
Yep.
Okay. Where's your nippers? Where's your electric nippers?
I figured out it's easier doing it. Straight lines, like in flat spot, that works good.
But the wavy,
It's hard to go down any groove.
huh, okay. I'm gonna stand out here because it does get loud, and we'll watch him cut that piece. is way out here.
What?
What? And what he did, he just used his grinder and a cutoff wheel with his grinder. This is a cutoff wheel on his Ryobi grinder. And just cut it right off. Crazy ride, ain't it?
You tall enough, you need to raise up.
I may need to go up.
And what he's doing, that's that J channel. And he's going right up under the lip of that J channel. That way nothing can get behind that tin like bees or wasps or whatever.
Not fancy earplugs?
Peanuts?
No. It ain't peanut. Napkins.
Oh. This is the slow, daunting stuff because each piece has to be cut individually.
34 and a half.
34 and a half on the low side.
Yes, sir.
So each piece, he puts this up, he measured for the...
34 on the high side.
34 on the high side.
Yeah, because now...
34 and a half on the high side.
Yeah, because now we're going high to low. Okay.
Because each piece has to be measured individually. Each piece has to be cut individually. So this is the time consuming till I get back to this straight part. Well, Randy, do you have anything else you want to add to our little video this morning?
No, just like and subscribe. It helps when you hit the thumbs up button.
Yes, please like, subscribe. We love.
Or the thumbs down.
No, well, no, we don't want to see no thumbs down. Just thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Like it, I need to know.
Now, if there's something that you don't like, yeah, we would like to know because we want to be able to please everybody. I know we can't really please everyone, but we want to.
No, you don't please everybody.
Yeah, but we.
Everybody's got their own way of doing it, and it may be a different way, and it may be a better way of doing it.
True. But he's going to start grinding.
Yeah, I'm about to start grinding.
So,
Cut.
cutting, yeah. So, we're going to end for now because I don't want to hear that noise again. So, well, remember, ask as always, we love you. God loves you. Y'all have a blessed day.